Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a simple way to Google a picture. So here I've already opened the Google app. So if you want to browse something but you don't know the keyword, for example, you only have a picture, you can do it easily by doing this. So first, after you open the Google, you don't need to write anything in here. Just click on the camera icon on the search column. Then the Google Lens will be open like this, and also your camera, you can just select the image or the picture that you want to search. So for example, I want to find this picture here, and then Google will identify the picture, and then here there will be a visual matches with the pictures that you add. You can just scroll down in here to find the one that you are looking for, and if you already find one, just click on one of this link and it will be open automatically to the link that you click. Okay guys, so that's how. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you.